I'll guide you through how to set up shipping on your Shopify store. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this.
So we start off on the home page of Shopify. We go to the left and we scroll down to settings. We open up settings, and then we go into shipping and delivery and on the left. And you can see we have two locations and we are delivering to two zones. We also have local delivery and local pickup, which are currently not turned on. For example, I want to deliver locally and I go into my shop location and I press this. It says doesn't offer delivery. I select this option and I check this button. I check this box. This location offers local delivery. Then I can add everything here. I can use postal codes to define which areas I will deliver to. I can give the zone a name. I can add postal codes, and I can add things like minimum order price that is required for us to ship, and the delivery price. For example, you most of the times you want to offer free delivery price for local people so that you gain more traffic to your website. Then, after you are done with this, you can go into, I can leave this because I don't want to save the changes. You can go into general shipping rates and you can go into manage. You can see everything here. You scroll down and you find your zone, the zone you have already applied. You go into the price and you press into these three dots right here. It will show you a section called edit rate. You press this by left click. And then here you can change your price or add conditions, and you can make these conditions vary. For example, based on order price, you can give a sale, or based on item weight. And for example, if you want to remove the conditions, you press remove conditions. Right here, you change your price. For me, it's in Macedonian dinars. So make sure to convert to your currency. My currency, it's about 20 euro. So for example, if I want to make it cheaper, I delete this and I add a certain price. Now I have made it cheaper. I made it 500 Macedonian dinars. This is like 10 euro. And I can make it more expensive. I can make it 3000 Macedonian dinars, which is 50 euro. After I am done with my changes, I just press done. As you can see, it automatically transfers to another currency. Then you can go and create zones. You can select a certain country. I can't do that because on this account my trial has expired. After you select your zone, your country, you press done, and then you can make custom shipping rates for each country. It's a really straight up and straight on process. You just select the country, press done. It will show up here in the zones. You go into the zone and you follow the same steps. You go to the three dots, edit rate, and you add the rate.